Okay, good morning, people. My name is Johan Botha. I'm from South Africa, and I want to share you my experience with Crypto Fortune. And it's also the purpose of the session is the Q&A for people who do not understand, members as well as new people. So yes, let me just give you a short introduction. When I was shown this opportunity, I was very skeptical because I couldn't understand it. Where does the money come from? How did they generate the money? There's no a physical or actual product that generates money, like in trading. There's no trading or anything like that that generates the income. So where does this 3.33% come from? Is it possible? Are these people crazy, or what is going on? Previously, I was involved in a similar project, also a smart contract, but the difference was that the owners of that platform, it was called Golden something, Golden Matrix, did not renounce the contract, and we didn't have all the knowledge that we have at this moment. And they managed to withdraw the money or steal the money basically from all the people that participated in the program. So yes, and that's what made me very skeptical and cautious about Crypto Fortune as well. But until I saw that the contract is renounced and nobody can touch the money, that changed the whole thing, and I dived in. I started with $20. So let me just take you to my account. So this is my cycles tab on the account, and you can see here on the 7th of January, I started late that evening. This was just one day after this platform was launched. This 30-day cycle has already been completed. Since then, 2 more has been completed, and I see there's another one waiting. I'm going to do this reinvestment on this meeting at the moment. So at the moment, I've got 70 active reinvestment cycles or investments, actually. That is generating income of 3.33% each and every 24 hours. You can see that 70 cycles. So we found I want to call it the blueprint to maximizing your earnings every 24 hours, and that is to reinvest as soon as you have $5 available. Let me just see, is there anyone that has a specific question here? Welcome, Andries, Cornelia, Rian, and Bumpy. Is there anybody that wants to ask a question? Please raise your hand, and then I'll try my best to answer it. The biggest question I get is about the ending of the 30-day cycle, so I'm going to explain that as well. Let's just start with the dashboard. So on the dashboard, you will get your user ID, your own personal user ID right at the top. And also you were referred by that, who referred you. You see there's no names, there's no personal details that is used to register on this smart contract platform. It is totally a decentralized, fully decentralized platform. Now, there is nobody in control of this Crypto Fortune. We, the community, is in control of this platform. Right, so up until now, last night, 200 members in the whole team has joined this platform in my team already. So yes, it's not direct. But even if I didn't refer anybody, I still would have received my 3.33% each and every day. As you can see here, that the cycles generated runs for 30 days. So every day you receive your 3.33% each and every day. Doesn't matter what your investment is. The minimum is $10. But if you come in with $10, you will just receive your 3.33%. You will not be eligible to qualify for referral bonuses if you do decide to refer other people. You can come in with $10 and top up later to 20 and higher, and then refer other people. Then you will receive the bonuses, yes. But then I made another investment of $30 just 4 days after that, and that increased my total investment to $50. And then you qualify for more bonuses on the levels. And I will go into the detail a bit later about that. But since then, the first reinvestment has also finished, and I reinvested that as well. And you will find this at the top with all the other reinvestments. Right, and this one we're going to claim a little bit later in the session. But let's first talk about the platform itself and why people needs to come to this platform. I want to bring your attention to a very important thing. There is the Real Crypto Fortune that was launched on the 6th of January this year. The website is cryptofortune.live. Please make sure that you understand and know that. Do not get caught between cryptofortune.live and cryptofortune.co. Do you see the difference? The logo is different. That's the first thing you're going to pick up. This is the website is cryptofortune.co, and they do not have all the features of the Real Crypto Fortune. You see, they only use the Hayes Crypto Auditing Report or company's logo. They don't have the real logo of Crypto Fortune with the golden wings like this. This is the real McCoy. Right, so also on the cryptofortune.live website, you'll find the audit report, and you can see here's Hayes Crypto's logo, which they just copied, and they copied everything, except another way for you to understand the difference is they've got a different smart contract. Ours end with 5BF2, and they also have a creator's address and a creator's private key. It looks very, very believable and everything, but if you do not know the difference, you will fall for it. And I went into the smart contract. They only have 502 members at this moment. They say there is an announcement of ownership as well, but the membership is 502, and there's actually every couple of minutes or hours there's transactions on that smart contract, and the liquidity is very low. I don't think it's even 25,000 US dollars. But that's the main difference. This is very, very important to know and understand this, because many people will come and tell you they are in Crypto Fortune maybe, or come and join Crypto Fortune, and then they send you a different link, which if you do not know the difference, you might be tricked into joining the fake or the copycat platform, which is this one. And here they give all the details here. CFDFI, everything is copied exactly. They even tell you that the compensation plan is exactly the same. Everything there, they give you an announcement of ownership. It's even here as well. That might be true, but let's go and have a look at the smart contract. You see, it was created on the 24th of January, which is another way for you to distinguish from the Real Crypto Fortune. On the smart contract, not even $25,000 is there. Right, compared to ours, let's go there, and you will see that 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hours. There's not even minutes or seconds. Let's have a look at the difference now. The smart contract ends with CCE 11. Crypto Fortune, the real one. Let's go. We'll go to the audit a little bit later. Let's go to the smart contract. 1.7 million US dollars. And the activity is in seconds, 7 seconds, 14 seconds. Everything is here. It's done. It's claim deposit, claim principal. Many members have finished their 30-day cycles already. So there will be a lot of claim principal transactions and people reinvesting it back into the system for another 30 days. All right, so let's look at the actual numbers or users. So we're going to the read contract section. Don't worry, you don't have to know or to do these things yourself. This is just for knowledge, for you to know about the solidity of the program. Let's go to total registered 36,000 users, and active members is 31,400 at the moment. So on the other one, let's have a look. Is it this one? Yes, this one. They only have about 500 registered users. They also have, they say they've got it announced. I haven't checked if there's any backdoors. I didn't have time for that. But even if they do, it's not viable to to join them. 502 registrations and 467 are active that have invested in this scam or copycat platform. Right? So please be careful about that. It's very important to know and understand. Right now, let me close all these things outside. This one as well. All right, so here is the real one is got the golden wings. We are flying at the moment, and we will fly for a long time. We will just need to participate. That's the basic thing. Many people do not understand how do they generate the money. It's actually very simple. Any business in this world needs clients, business partners, patients in the medical field. So yes, shops need people to come and buy from them. People participate in the business. So that's basically what it is. The short description of this platform, because many people call it a crowdfunding, and it's a global peer-to-peer money rotation system managed by the smart contract. It's totally decentralized. That is what it basically is. Very similar to a Stokvel or to a big group crowdfunding concept. It's just managed and totally decentralized, managed by the smart contract. There's no owners involved that can make any changes. The ownership has been renounced completely, and you saw the evidence already for yourself. Let's go to the audit report and see what is the numbers for today at the moment. So you're going to click on the audit view audit log, and here you can see updated live numbers, 36,000. This numbers might differ with the smart contract slightly because it takes time for the audit report to update. And we saw that 2 days ago that it didn't even populate these numbers because of the speed of the numbers that came in. The software program couldn't keep up with the rate of the numbers that came in. So you can see that there's almost $5.5 million deposited in 37 days. And 3.8 has already been withdrawn by members either in ROI withdrawals or network reward withdrawals. The current liquidity pool, $1.741 million. This is what is locked into the smart contract for the 30-day cycles. Nobody can touch that money. When you join Crypto Fortune, the moment you press that button, you deposit your funds. Your money is locked into the smart contract for 30 days. It's there. It's safe. Nobody can touch the money. I hear people say, yeah, but you must give away your funds. It's in somebody else's control. It is in no one's control, not even yourself. The smart contract manages it. And what protects the money? The code on the smart contract protects your money, protects this $1.74 million. No one can make any changes or come in. There's no backdoors, no way to reroute this money. Nobody can get their hands on this money except the code of the smart contract. These codes are. And these codes, you don't have to know about them. It's just good to know how it works. You don't have to come and learn and study all these things. It's explained in the compensation plan as well. But this is what is managing this smart contract. There's no person sitting in an office and deciding today I want to pay John and tomorrow I must pay Mary. There's nothing like that. The smart contract doesn't have emotions. It doesn't know who it is paying to. It just pays according to the codes that are written here, which no one can make changes. All right, so it's 100% safe. The money cannot be touched. The money will be released. There's no other way. After 30 days, it will be released. As you saw on my back office, we'll just get to that one now. Like this, it released automatically. When I claimed ROI earlier this morning, it was released automatically. Right, so I'm going, if you press claim USDT, you're going to withdraw it. If you claim reinvest, you're going to reinvest it back into the system. So this is $6. This is my first, my second reinvestment that I made. So I'm going to reinvest this money and for another 30 days. and I will show you now. The current balance for my active cycles is 600. Let me just cancel here and I'll show you that. 621. And this is all from reinvestments. 621 at the moment. Let's have a look now. I'm going to claim that cycle of $6. So there's no limit to the number of investments or reinvestments you can have. So claim that. Just need to approve it on my phone. And when you do it on the laptop, it is not so fast as on the phone itself. So you just need to update it and or refresh it basically. When you do the reinvestment from the, you can see they changed now. 620 was 621 is now 627. When you do the reinvestment from the cycles from the earlier deposit that was released, it doesn't go to the wallet section where you have to manually reinvest it again, like your ROI that comes here. That reinvestment from the 30-day cycles that finished is automatically added to the smart contract, to your balance. If you do make a withdrawal, there's a 5% withdrawal fee. If you reinvest, there's no extra fees of anything. You only pay the gas fee for the transaction. Right, so most of us are deciding to reinvest, and there you can see it was added. There's now 71 investment or running reinvestments at this moment. It was 1 minute ago, and they reinvested. And tomorrow, this time, it will receive its 3.33% again. And that's what happens with all of these other ones. So far, I've reinvested all of my cycles that came out or that completed or matured already. So the principles is released on day 30. When you claim your ROI, you will get the button that will appear here in your cycles tab. And it will show you either claim the USDT. That's when you want to withdraw it. You decide what you want to do. But it just makes sense to reinvest it to increase your daily earnings even further. Right, and please note that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm only sharing my own experience with this platform since I've started in this platform. This is also not an investment. Many people are return on investment platform. Many people get it incorrect totally. They think that it's like a type of a bank. It is not, because there you have to increase your investment to earn much more. And yeah, it's not necessary. You're going to earn 3.33% if you have invested $10 or $5,000 in your third cycle. It's not going to make a difference. You can't increase that. You only can increase your active balance by reinvesting more. And that will increase your daily income. So you can see there, I started with $20. I spoke to a couple of people and just took off. Right. What else is there? There's, when you do, okay, I haven't got a return on investment available, but I want to show you now. I'm going to claim this. You're paying about, another thing is the gas fee issue. It's not a real issue because you're making much more than you're ever going to pay for gas fees. Right, but anyways, let's say this is $5 or more. We normally wait until it's $5 because you pay about 5 cents for when you claim ROI, and you pay about 10 cents when you make a reinvestment. So I'm going to claim this ROI now, and you will see how it operates. Right, again, this is done on the laptop, it looks different on the phone. On the phone, you just approve it immediately. Okay, and there it goes claiming, and it says claimed, and when I'm going to refresh it, there it appeared now. So now, when you see that minimum withdrawal is 5, minimum reinvestment is $5. When I have 5 available here, I will put 5 there. Remember, there's no cents that you can enter. It's only in multiples of $1. 5 and up. Sometimes you have 6 or 7 or 8. So it's sometimes wise to wait if there's another investment coming or return on investment coming through very shortly to wait. If it's not going to make that big difference, but as soon as you have $5 available to reinvest it back, it is much more sufficient to do it as soon as possible. All right, and then you will just press on with reinvest or withdraw if you want to withdraw. Right, just once again, there's a 5% withdrawal fee if you do withdraw. So if you withdraw $5, you're going to get $4.75. Plus, you're going to pay for the gas fees. All right, and if you reinvest here, it's about 10 US dollar cents for every reinvestment transaction. That's also, I did check is it more wiser to wait for a bigger amount to reinvest or as soon as you have $5 available? And take into consideration that you receive 3.33% of every reinvestment also, it is much more efficient to invest as soon as you have $5 available and don't wait for a bigger amount. But some people have invested with came in with $500 or more, and then they will receive $16 at least every 24 hours. Obviously, then they will have more than enough. But yes, you cannot reinvest or withdraw less than $5, and you can only invest around numbers of multiples of $1 from $5 and up. So don't put the cents in. All right, same with network rewards. Yeah, and if you withdraw this money, it goes instantly to your wallet. It doesn't stay on the back office here. It goes to your wallet. So you have to log out of the platform, the dashboard, and go to back to your wallet section. And there you will find it under the USDT coin. Right, so how to get, you're running low on gas fees. How to get gas fees now? This morning I helped a member, he had $15 available here, and his gas fees was very low. So because the minimum withdrawal is $5, he withdrew $5, went to his wallet, he exchanged it in SafePal from BNB from USDT to BNB, and it's done very quickly and very easily in SafePal itself. Right, it's just a normal transaction basically. And if you want to know how to do that, I will make videos still about that and put on my YouTube channel and share it in the groups as well. But yes, and then he reinvested the rest of the balance, the other $10. So that's another way for you to prevent you from paying out of your pocket for gas fees the whole time. If you're going to reinvest each and every day, $5 of gas fee of BNB will be sufficient, because you will pay about 10 cents plus the 5 cents when you claim ROI each day. That brings you to 15 cents. That's around about what the gas fees prices are at the moment. It might go up, but obviously then we will look at it again and adjust the strategy. But at the moment, this is the quickest way. And obviously, if you refer other people, you do not have to. That's totally your choice if you want to do that. Most people are allergic to referring other people, but here is enormous amount of money that is lying here, and it's only going to depend on yourself if you want to make use of that or not, or how fast you want to become financially free. Right, so I've missed all of these bonuses. You can qualify for them, right? And then for you to qualify for all of the bonuses on your levels, there's 20 levels. You need active deposit of $200 yourself. Now you can start on a lower level, as I started with $20, and use the money that you get and reinvest it, and that will also count towards the $200, which will qualify you to receive all the bonuses. And you must have five directs that have invested $50 or more. Right. That's another way for you to do that. And then at the bottom, you will have your team structure. Now, take note, this is a uni-level matrix. You use your own link. There's no spillovers. Obviously, when you put people under you, you will receive. But when you refer people with your link, it's not going to fall under anybody else except yourself. All right, so you can see 62 direct members that I have already, but only 43 has deposited more than $50 already. So this 1 out of 1 must be one that qualified with $50 self-deposit. Right, the first 3 levels, if you want to refer, you need to have at least $20 in, and you don't have to refer anybody to qualify for your first 3 levels. Right, on your level 4 to 6, you must have a $50 investment yourself and one direct with at least $50 as well. Then level 7 to 10, your own deposit or investment must be $100 or more, and you must have 2 directs that has got $50 invested themselves. Take note, they must have $50, not 2 directs only. They must have invested $50 themselves as well, and they can also build it up, and then that will also qualify. Then level 11 to 15 is also $100, and then you must have 3 directs with $50 or more. And level 16 to 20, your own deposit must be $200 or more, and you must have 5 directs that has invested $50 or more. Right, and then you will qualify for all of the rank bonuses in the level 1 to 20. So it's not that difficult to reach the $200 mark, but yes, it's also the sweet spot for people to come in. Why? Because you need $150 to start reinvesting from your first day on. Then you will receive $5 the next day after 24 hours, and you can start reinvesting immediately. Right, but it's also up to you, your own prerogative. Well, I see we coming at the end of this meeting. If anybody that wants to ask questions. Andries, Rian, Wimpy, are you fine? Anything that you do not understand?
No, that's clear. Thanks, Johan.
Or anything that I can explain better, or did you wanted to see? All right, but yeah, let's just go quickly to here and see. Make sure that you get on the correct website, cryptofortune.live. That is the real one. Okay, we're more than 75 countries already. The last time I checked on the Telegram channel for the updates, might be more now. But you can see this platform is just growing with a tremendous speed, and it's only dependent on us participation in this. There's no reason for this to stop, ever to stop. The technology is there, the program is there to support you, to support everyone across the world. Right? The demand is, just take you, we are 4 people on this call now. Ask the question to yourself, do you want to double your money in 30 days? You don't have to answer that. The answer is very, very clear and plain. The answer is yes. It's obviously yes. If a person says he doesn't want to double his money in 30 days, I don't know what he's thinking. And well, except they think it's a scam and it cannot be done. Obviously, some people are going to, but you need to understand how it works and why this will last. Why this will last? Because because of this. The anti-whale mechanism, what they call it. Right? It prevents big investors from just coming and trying to suck the contract dry and run away with all the funds. Yeah, it cannot be done. In your first 30-day cycle, you can only invest from $10 minimum to $500 maximum dollars. If you want to invest more, then you can open more positions. There's no limit to the number of positions that you can open in the platform. Just remember that you must be able to manage all of them. So if a multimillionaire comes and he wants to open 1,000 accounts, he can do that, but will he be able to manage them? That's the question. Right. And then after your first 30 days, you are allowed to that same position that is registered in the smart contract. When that first cycle of 30 days are finished, then that position can invest up to $2,000. Obviously, from the balance that is still remaining in the wallet or in the position, you can just add the balance up to $2,000 then. All right, and then you can compound above $2,000 as well from inside the platform. Take note, when you want to deposit your first 30 days, when you start, maximum $500. I've tried it with someone else to see if we can go more. The system does not allow you to do that. If you want to go more, you open more accounts. All right, so from within the platform, you can reinvest above $500. So the same will work on the second cycle and on the third cycle. You can invest up to $2,000, but you can reinvest from your daily earnings, and that will take you above 2,000. And the same in cycle 3. At the moment, there's nobody yet in cycle 3. We're just on day 30. Is it 37? Let me check. Let's get the real data, yeah, from the smart contract. Where's that? Right, and the smart contract name also is very important. CFDeFi, that's the name of the smart contract. Where I see oh, come on. It is. Yes, maybe you raised your hand.
Yeah, I just want to find out, can you deposit any amount up to $500 on your first contract or on both your second and third also? Straight from your wallet to your investment.
In your first, if the position is still in its first 30 days, the maximum is $500. Is that what you're asking?
Okay. Yes, yeah. And can you then say, for instance, you put in $20 and then say in another week's time, you put another $20 in. Is that fine?
Yeah, you can do that. You can deposit as the minimum is $10 at least.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Yeah, as long as the minimum is $10 and the maximum is $500 in your first 30 days. All right, so where was this date again? It's here again. All right, we have 3 minutes left, so hopefully we'll make it. Here you can see all of the details, anything that you want to know, due diligence that you want to do, research is on this website. Everything is done for you already on this audit report as well. And here you can see the transactions. So yesterday was a little bit lower, but the day before that was the record day. Let's just, and then it's today. You can see the impact again, growing. Right, 5th of January, this contract was deployed, but the ownership was announced on the 6th. And I will show you that as well. Here we have it. Okay, so it's 39 days that this platform is old. So nobody has reached the third cycle yet. There's about 21 days left for the first members to go into the third cycle. There's a couple of members already in the second cycle, and as I said, most members are reinvesting their principles back into the system again, which is this principle that comes out after 30 days. And remember, every 30 days, every investment or reinvestment will be released, as I showed you earlier on. And you will be able to reinvest it or withdraw that money. Right, so there's basically no reason for anybody not to reinvest or to stop here. Obviously, if you need money, you can decide a good number is to withdraw or to reinvest 70% and withdraw 30%. But obviously, you need to build up your portfolio first. And once again, this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing my own experience and knowledge, what I've learned in this platform the last couple of days. Oh, yeah. So yeah, this is okay. That is the compensation plan. Minimum withdrawal is $5. Minimum reinvestment is $5. Every principal is returned after 30 days. If you want it or not, it will be returned. And then you must make a decision, because then it stops generating 3.33%. So do not leave it there. Log in on a daily basis and make sure, because now, like in mine, it's going to come up short every day, and some days there is multiple reinvestments. So then I must be on the ball and to reinvest them as soon as possible. There's a 5% protocol deduction on every on the withdrawals. I mentioned that. Every cycle runs for 30 days. So there is a blueprint to become risk-free, and we've got very short time. Within 30 days, if you invest $500, you leave it there for 30 days and you don't compound, you're going to double that to plus you're going to get, I think, 835 extra if you reinvest. But if you don't reinvest, you're just going to double it. You withdraw your principal amount, you're in totally risk-free, and you just work with the rest of your profit and leave that in the system. And that is specifically for those people that does not want to refer other people. All right, but everyone has got their own choice and freedom to choose what they want to do here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for your attention and your time as well. This recording should be up very soon. We've come to the end of our meeting. Thank you. Have a nice